Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will give a lecture on roles and responsibility of the faculty, staff, and the institutional body in an organization. What is the role of the faculty? What is the role of the staff? What is the role of the institutional body? And various governing body of the 31 governing body have been shown here. Number one, the governing body. Number two is the academic council. Number three, the college academic committee. Number four, the principal. Number five, the dean academics. Number six, the registrar, formerly dean administration. Number seven, controller of examination, dean examination. Number eight, dean student affairs. Number nine, dean R&D. Number 10, dean PG program in engineering. Number 11, head of the department. Number 12, program coordinator. Number 13, group head, divisional head. Number 14, faculty. Number 5, course coordinator. Number 16, faculty advisor and the mentor. Number 17, class advisor. Number 18, department's examination branch coordinator. Number 19, department's placement and alumni coordinator. Number 20, lab in charge. Number 21, electronics lab technician. Number 22, system administrator. Number 23, training and placement officer. Number 24, administrative officer. Number 25, account officer. Number 26, transport in charge. Number 27, physical director. Number 28, librarian. Number 29, office assistant. Number 30, maintenance supervisor. Number 31, in charge electrical maintenance. These are divided on the 51 pages of the what are the roles of the institutions in the governing body. Major function and the responsibility of the governing body. The governing body of the college has inter-ally members drawn from the industry, affiliating university, and academic experts from the academic field. The governing body gives direction to the college management. Its function and responsibility are the formulate academic aims and objective of the institution and guide the institution toward the achievement of the same. Examine the recommendation of the college academic council and prepare a roadmap for the achieving the goals of the institution. Monitor academic research and another related activity of the college and guide them in the correct direction. Prepare a strategy plan for the financial. Financial plans are necessary for the college. How to maintain the financial plan? This is the backbone of the college. Infrastructure. How to build the infrastructure and how the staffing areas can be done. This is the strategy plan for the management. Consider the recommendation for the staff selection committee and approve the same. Recommendation of the staff selection committee, which staff to be selected and approval from them. Consider the important communication policy decision received from the university, government, AICTE, and the UGC, etc. Encourage and facilitate good college apply for the accreditation certification, if any. Facilitate that the encourage college faculty apply for the research project and the proposal. Monitor the student and faculty development program and guiding the college appropriately so that they achieve the end objective. Facilitate the starting of the new UG program, deciding on the discontinue any existing program and increase decrease intake into the any UG program. Consider the recommendation of the college academic committee of the college and direct them for the implementation. Examine the budget proposal and the accord approval. Pass the annual budget of the college. Facilitate checking the audited income and expenditure accounts and approve the same for the college annually. Consider the facilitated college to resolve legal court cases, if any. These are the 15 functions of the governing body. Major function and responsibility of the governing body, 15 functions are there. Functions of the academic council. The college academic council will solely respond to scrutinize and approval of the proposal with or modification of the board of the study with regard to the course of study, academic regulation, curricula, syllabi, and modification thereof. structural and the evaluation arrangement, methods and procedure relevant thereto, provided that where the academic council differ on any proposal, it will have the right to return the matter of reconsideration to the board of the study and consent or reject it after giving reasons to do so. Make regulations regarding the admission of the student of the different programs of study in the college. Make regulation for the sports extracurricular activity and the proper maintenance and functioning of the playground and the hostel. Recommend to the governing body proposal for institution of the new program of the study. Recommend to the governing body institution scholarship, studentship, fellowship, prize and medal, and to frame the regulation for the award of the same time. Advising the governing body on session pertaining to the academic affairs made by it. Perform such other function as many assigned by the governing body or other statutory body of the university. The 7 functions of the academic councils are given here. 7 functions of the academic councils are given here. Function and responsibility of the college academic committee. What are the functions and responsibility of the college academic committee? Arranging the teaching requirement for the successful completion of the academic program of the college and supervising the same periodically. Facilitating controller of examination for making arrangement for conducting examination as per the norms. Recommending the governing body for providing the necessary infrastructural, human resources, and other requirements for progressing towards achievement of the vision of the college. Facilitate supervision of the functioning of the computing and the IT infrastructure, central library, and other learning resources of the college. Facilitating promotion of the research culture in the college through collaboration and the collaboration among the faculty. Encouraging collaboration with other academic institutes and the industry, creating a conducive environment for development of the entrepreneurship, ensuring discipline among the students, facilitating and supervising the co-curricular activity of the student, recommending the management for encouraging students with the awards, stipends, scholarship, medals, and prizes, and so on. Inspiring students to be creative, innovative, and recommending management to encourage them with financial support towards the same. Motivating and the guiding students in order to utilize the services of the cachet of the college. Appointing committee from the amongst the college and teaching faculty and experts from the outside in order to sort out and advise on the specific academic issue, and consequently acting on the recommendation of the such committee after due consultation. Appointing a review committee periodically in order to review all the college academic activity and subsequently acting on its recommendation after due consideration. Planning and executing the overall academic growth of the college by making the recommendation to the governing body where necessary. And rest of the responsibility of the son by the Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar is there.